Hello everyone, this is King IoT. This video I will show you our new designed product, that is A8S board. The A8S board is based on the A8 board. We have development for some new functions of this board. And the most important, this board is based on the ESP32 module, and we have added the GSM module. So this time you can use your SIM card, use your mobile phone SIM card, and use GPS communication and send a short message to your mobile phone, such as you can send a message and turn on relay, and send a message, turn off the relay, and without install any application on your mobile phone, just send the short message. So this will be convenient to use, just send a message. And also we have added the menu control button. This button you can use on the PCB board and control every relay output for on and off. Just press this button, easy for you to development and for testing the relay and testing some functions. And this time we have added the LED indicator for this menu control button. When you press the button, the LED will be on, and release the button, the LED will be off. So that will be easy for testing. And also at this time, we have added the speak, so that you can use some alarm function, so that the speak work and not work. And another important, we have added a RGB LED indicator on the board, so that you can use this board in different color with the LED indicator, because it's RGBW, so you can use any color of the LED indicator just according to your code and according to your setting. And this board also supports the Wi-Fi and the Ethernet, and supported by the ESP Home, so you will very easy to integrate to Home Assistant and by the ESP Home. And ESP Home, we have chosen the same 800 GSM module, also supported by the ESP Home. So it's very easy to send a short message and make a voice call. So this is mainly improvement of the A8S board. Okay, let's look at the PCB board hardware detail design. Okay, let's look at the A8S board. You can see here the A8S board. Let's look at the hardware design details. And this is the side, and this is the back. This is the back of PCB, and this is in front. And this is the ESP32 module, and this also have the Ethernet port. And this is for function you can define by yourself, defined by ESP Home or defined by Arduino IDE code. And this is reset button. And this is the Type-C, the USB Type-C interface. And this is LED. This is RGB LED that can change any color just according to your setting or according to your program. And you can make some functions like some alarm information that will turn red, or some running that can turn green, or some other color just according to your setting. And here you can see have 4-channel analog input, 0 to 5 voltage and 4 to 20 milliampere. And this is the GPIO for you to use. And here is ground. And this is RS485. That I think you can use by the Modbus. The blue is RS485. And here is digital input 1 to digital input 6. That is from 1 to 6. Also you can see here is a button that is 1, 2, 3, 4 until 6, so that you can use menu control button for testing your code or testing your project. And here is LED indicator. The LED indicator, when you press this button, will be on, and remove the hand will be off. So it's designed by the hardware and not according to the software. Just for on and off, you can easy to detect the switch or your sensor have connected to this terminal. You can see whether it's triggered or not triggered. And this is ground, and this orange is 12-volt power supply. And here you can see this is the power circuit. And here is the I2C interface. That is external I2C, because here is some chips for I2C for the I/O extend for this 8-channel relay. Every relay you can see have COM and normal open and normal close. So there are 8 channels. And this is for the LED indicate for relay output, LED on and off indicate. And also you can see here the 5 to 8 LED indicate for relay. And this is speak that can speak voice. And here you can see here is the 433 MHz receive module. So you can see here is the 433 MHz receive module. So you can install this module on this socket, so that you can remote control your relay output. And here you can see the socket is for GSM module. The every pin defined. That default is for SIM 800L, the GSM module. You can see we have used this GSM module. And here you can see every pin defined and which function you have used on this module and every pin. That is SIM 800 module. So if you can use this module, you just insert this module on this socket. Here you can see. And before you use the SIM card, you just insert this socket for your mobile phone SIM card and plug in. And this time you can use the GPS or SMS function. But this is for 2G SIM card. If your country or your city not have 2G, so that you can use another option. So you can see here is the 4G or 3G SIM card. Use this module. That is SIM 7600 modules. This module support used by 4G or 3G SIM card. So you can see here the pin defined. So you just need to use the VCC and the ground and the XT and the TXT. These 4 lines connect with this module. So that will be easy to use the 3G or 4G SIM card. If you don't want to use this 2G module, you just remove this from socket and you can use this one. But this one, this is pin, and we can use this adapter. We have designed this board that can use for SIM 7000 module. And you can see here, I can install this one. I just connect like this, and also I can connect to this socket, so that the module can be used for 3G or 4G SIM card. So you just need to connect with this GPS antenna if you use the GPS, or use this GSM antenna. So that is the GSM stick antenna. So you can see I can connect with this antenna at here, and this is GPS. I can install these 2 antennas. And the SIM card, you can see I can open it. And this is small SIM card from my mobile phone, and I can just place on it and close, so that will have a good contact. And at last, you just can plug in. Okay, you can see here is a draft for 3G module, 4G module, just the convert. So this is GSM module. You can choose which one. This is cheap, and this will be expensive. And just according to you, if you only use for 2G, you can choose this one. If you must use 4G or 3G, you can choose this one. And you can see this is antenna. We can use this antenna winding on this pin. Also, you can use IPX cable, just like this, connect with this way and this socket. This module helps support the GSM communication and support the GPS. You can see here is the GPS, so that can give you information about your position. So if you use this module, you can use this antenna. That is one kind of GPS antenna, and this is for GSM antenna. So this is stick to our box. So this is the antenna. You can connect this at this socket, and this one connect to this GPS socket. So that you can use the GPS function from this module. So this is the hardware details design of the A8S board. Okay, thanks for watching.